One of the things I have been loving is this Batana oil. I love that it's kind of multi-use. Right now I'm going to use it as a split end treatment. That's probably my favorite way to use it. But you can use it as like a daily use because it has rosemary, castor oil, almond oil, pumpkin seed oil, and peppermint oil. So it's great for your scalp too. And then you can also use it as like just a scalp care where you put it mainly focusing on your scalp. So I'll do that during the night before wash days. This stuff smells super good, has a little bit of a scent of peppermint, which I love. It's so fresh. I like using this on no wash days, especially for my split end treatment, because like my ends are so dry and frizzy, and then when my top is a little more oily, even when I put dry shampoo in it, you can like tell the difference, right? So you can see like my ends are really dry, but my top is not. So I just do a couple drops in my hand. This is the consistency that it looks like. You really don't need that much. And I love this stuff because it doesn't like weigh down your hair and make it feel oily. I try to keep my ends as like oiled and nourished as I can, just because I have so many split ends, and when it gets really dry, it starts to break. So that's why I like to apply this. And look at it, helped with the dryness. Compare the two, helped with the dryness, but like doesn't make it feel oily, and then it gives it a good scent. So I usually do just a couple drops on each side, rub it in my hands, and then rub it in my hair. And then typically what I'll do is grab a brush and then brush through it too, to kind of go up towards the middle. So love this stuff. All the ingredients are so good. It has like a lot of my favorite oils in it. The brand sent me to test it, or the brand sent me the product to test it out, and I have loved it. Look at that. Now it looks nice and even throughout my hair.